You made it, and welcome. I am here at 2226 Wyndham Palms Way in Kissimmee, Florida. I'm Nathan Meyer, the real estate transformer with the Home Squad team, brokered by eXp Realty. I have an incredible investment opportunity for you. This location is ideal. It comes fully furnished. There's solid bookings in place. Are you ready to come check it out? Let's go. Upon entering, you'll notice the perfect flow of the layout. This open floor plan is ideal for anyone wanting to feel right at home. The dining area overlooks the large living room, which leads right out to the private in-ground swimming pool. Notice the private screened-in lanai. The kitchen comes fully equipped with a breakfast nook, and all the appliances were replaced in 2021. The primary bedroom has an ensuite bathroom with dual sinks and a walk-in closet. The other 3 bedrooms are all wonderfully themed, and all 4 bedroom carpets were replaced in 2021. Need extra space? No problem. The garage has been converted into an awesome and fun game room, making each stay even more memorable. This 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home comes fully furnished, has solid future bookings in place, and is ready for its new owner. All right, what do y'all think? This vacation home is ready to go, right? I personally loved the Disney-themed rooms throughout the space, giving it even more magic. What do you think, Doc? He thinks it's a no-brainer. All right, let's put him back so he can make sure he's greeting each guest. So if you'd like to see this property, give me a call. I'm Nathan Meyer with the Home Squad. Have a good day.